Hello, welcome to Oral Talk Daily News. Let us begin. Kamala Harris and Donald Trump set to collide next in a debate. Donald Trump will try to box in Kamala Harris on issues like the economy and immigration, but may also unleash more of the racist insults that he's directed her way during the campaign. Kamala Harris and Donald Trump will clash in their first and possibly last televised debate on 10th September in a potentially game-changing moment for the blockbuster 2024 U.S. presidential election. The stakes could hardly be higher for the Democratic Vice President and Republican former President as tens of millions of American voters tune in to see them finally face off. 64 people die in Vietnam storm, bridge collapses. A bridge collapsed and a bus was swept away by flooding in Vietnam, raising the death toll in the Southeast Asian country to at least 64 from a typhoon and subsequent heavy rains that also damaged factories in export-focused northern industrial hubs, state media reported. 9 people died on Saturday after Typhoon Yagi made landfall in Vietnam before weakening into a tropical depression. The rest died in the floods and landslides that followed on Sunday and Monday. Wild horses seen escaping wildfires in Nevada. Firefighters in Nevada battled the Davis fire south of Reno, prompting evacuations and damaging structures. Thousands of residents received evacuation notices and faced power outages to prevent further ignition. The fire, which started in Davis Creek Regional Park, burned through 6,500 acres and remained 0% contained. The wild horses were seen fleeing as smoke engulfed the area. Indian companies turning to AI for virtual meeting transcription. Services like Fireflies.ai and Otter have been able to tap into Indian industry's eagerness to incorporate AI in their work by transcribing and summarizing meetings in the background. Even as industries scramble to find ways to incorporate artificial intelligence applications into their workflows, one use case has seen particular success: AI note-takers. Note-taker bots sit in on conversations like Zoom calls and transcribe participants' remarks. Since the generative AI wave took off, such services like Fireflies.ai and Otter have seen a surge in their usage. India's best ever Paralympics with 29 record medals received. The Indian contingent concluded its historic Paris Paralympics campaign with 29 medals, including 7 gold, 9 silver, and 13 bronze medals, marking the country's best performance in the competition's history. India also crossed the 50 medal mark in Paralympic Games history with this impressive performance. But the heroics from Indian para-athletes surprised all, and not only they achieved the target they set on, but exceeded it in style. Other major headlines. Bangladesh plans to request the extradition of Sheikh Hasina from India. The Spanish Prime Minister is visiting China to strengthen trade and cultural relations, especially amidst an electric vehicle tariff dispute. SpaceX is set to launch the Polaris Dawn mission on September 10th, carrying American billionaire Jared Isaacman and 3 others for a 5-day flight aimed at achieving the world's first private spacewalk. Apple is looking to leverage AI technology to drive sales of its new iPhone 16. US striker Alex Morgan bid an emotional farewell to professional football. This is the end of today's news. Please wait for Vocabulary Buddy.
Hey, welcome to Vocabulary Buddy. collide, to come into violent contact with, box in, to restrict someone's freedom or movement, unleash, to release or set free, blockbuster, something that is very successful, especially a movie, book, or play that is very popular and makes a lot of money. Tens. The number 10. Typhoon. A tropical storm in the region of the Indian or Western Pacific Oceans. Evacuations. The process of moving people from a place of danger to a safer place. Ignition. The action of setting something on fire or starting to burn. Para-athletes. Athletes with physical disabilities. Extradition. The action of extraditing a person to another country for trial. Thank you for watching Oral Language Labs Vocabulary Buddy. Please like and subscribe to get updated about new words.